2006 paper 1 question 11. Curve crosses the x-axis when y equals 0. So that will be when x equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, so x equals minus 1, and x minus 2 equals 0, so x equals 2. To find the turning points, we're going to have to differentiate, and first we're going to have to expand the brackets. I'm going to start with the double bracket. So that's x squared minus x minus 2. So x cubed minus x squared minus 2x. If we differentiate, we get 3x squared minus 2x minus 2, and at a turning point that equals 0. Doesn't factorise, so x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a, and that gives us two answers. 1.22 negative 0.55. Now I need to substitute those back in to get the corresponding y values, and that gives us minus 2.11 and 0.3. To find out if the turning points are maximums or minimums, we need to differentiate a second time, and that gives us 6x minus 2. Our first turning point was 1.22 minus 2.11, and if we substitute in x for 1.22, we get 5.32. Well, that's greater than 0, so I know that that's a minimum turning point. My second turning point was at negative 0.55, 0.63, and if I substitute in negative 0.55, I get the second differentiable to be negative 0.53. That's less than 0, so this is a maximum. So putting together all our points in the graph, it cuts the axes at 0, minus 1 and 2. We have a turning point at negative 0.55, 0.65, which will be here, and we have a turning point at 1.22, negative 2.11, which will be here. And if we draw a curve through these points, we have the following. We're asked to find the area between the curve above the axis, so that's the red area, and that will be the integral from minus 1 to 0 of x cubed minus x squared minus 2x with respect to x. X cubed becomes x to the 4 over 4, x squared x to the 3 over 3, and minus 2x integrates to give minus x squared. Don't have to worry about the constant of integration. Substitute in 0 and we get 0, and then we're going to subtract when we substitute in minus 1. So that's 1/4 minus 1 over 3 minus 1, which gives us negative 5/12. So the area is 5/12.